Citirail fans, it's Bruce in Paris, Ontario, Canada. And I think we should have a train meet happening here. I don't know this train number, but I know that 123 is headed the other direction. This one is eastbound. 123 is headed westbound and just hit the defect detector a few miles up the way. Yep, there it is. All right, a train meet. Cool, we got a BC rail. 3190, 2642. This one has 316 axles. I did not even know that eastbound was headed this way. The London to Paris local. The locomotives are sitting there waiting for clearance. Run around the train and head back to London. Look at this, the end of both right there. And as soon as they clear, you should see the locomotives for 583 sitting there.